Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana and I want to share with you three things that can help you boost the traffic to your land page in Dallas. And actually these apply to any location where you operate. But anyway, let's start with the content. When I had a look at your content, it's actually very easy to navigate and you just ask people to provide the details that they require. The click to call button at the top, which is really good. Let's have a look at the amount of words. You have 1,000 words in there, which is good because Google likes to see content to rank you at the top. One of your competitors, and not necessarily as a supplier of artificial grass, but I will explain a competitor or an online competitor in terms of the keywords that people are searching for is Lone Star Synthetic Turf. They have 661 words. They have less than you. But they are ranking at the top for the main keyword that is being searched, and we will see what that means. And then we have DFW Turf Solutions. They have 708 words, so a lot less than what you have on your landing page for Dallas. So now let's have a look at the why I came across your company. And the reason why I came across your company is because I found you on these Google Ads when I typed in artificial turf Dallas, which is a buyer intent keyword, which is what people are searching for when they want to buy a product or a service. So the first section is the Google Ads, and the Google Ads are good at driving traffic. The problem is that some people are able to turn them off, and some people just skip directly to the Google Business Profile. The GMB, which is what we see here, is driving 40% of the traffic. So it's important to be listed at the top of the GMB because a lot of people are just clicking straight into the GMB profiles. And to be listed there, you need user reviews, you need pictures, and you need to be listed. You need citations, and a citation is where your business is listed in directories, showing exactly the same name, address, and phone number, and those details match those of your Google Business Profile. And if they are exactly the same, then Google can verify you and they give you points for that and they show you and they rank you at the top of the GMB. Now, the third section that Google shows when someone searches for a relevant term is the organic search. And to rank at the top, it's a combination of both the content and the backlinks. So let's have a look at what that means. We use a tool called Ahrefs, and Ahrefs helps us understand or analyze the backend of websites. So in here, I can see that there are 3 referring domains with 4 backlinks, and this is just for the specific page that is showing up in Dallas. So it means that there are links in 3 websites directing our traffic through 4 links to your websites. And that's what a backlink is. And you need to look at it like a popularity contest. You need to have those backlinks in websites that are regarded as authorities in the niche that you're serving. So in this case, artificial turf or artificial grass. So Google is actually going to rank that particular web or website at the top. Now, we actually need to look at what these companies are doing. So Lone Star, they have 47 referring domains with 109 backlinks, which is not much. And those are not even, so the ones that are actually passing on power to them, give me 1 sec, this is loading. It's actually 44 referring domains with 96 backlinks. So those are the powerful backlinks. And then DFW Turf Solutions, they have 140 referring domains with 528 backlinks. So see, not all backlinks are created equal because although they have more, they are still ranked second. And that's because the backlinks that Lone Star has are probably more powerful than those of DFW Turf Solutions. So now, in terms of content, and this is what I wanted to share with you, this is the content that you are showing up on the Dallas page. Look, this dashboard is showing me the keywords, so the keywords that you are being ranked for, the search volume of those keywords, and this is the position that you are appearing on for Google. So in the Google search, when someone types in these particular keywords. So anything beyond the 11th, 12th position means that you're already on the second page and people barely go to the second page. So now, which ones are the most searched keywords? So artificial turf Dallas, and you are showing up on position 20. Dallas artificial turf, you are position 21. Artificial turf Dallas, this one is not searched more, so not a relevant keyword. Fake grass lawn Dallas, position 25. Synthetic turf Dallas, position 23. So the idea here is that you focus on those keywords that have more search volume so that you can be in front of more potential customers. So just to give you an idea, Lone Star, they are ranking for 70 organic keywords. And if we look at them, they have, give me one sec, synthetic grass Dallas, artificial grass Dallas. They have artificial turf Dallas, so they are look, they are even number 13, so they went up one position. Look, and this is the point that I wanted to make. These tools are not necessarily accurate. This data was updated 11 days ago. So it's showing that they are showing in position 13, but at the moment they are ranking first on the organic search. So something that helps us analyze, but it's not 100% accurate. It helps us identify those keywords. So for example, synthetic grass Dallas, and I actually, artificial grass installation Dallas, this one is a good one because I noticed that you are able to provide that service by contacting your potential customers with installers of artificial grass. So that's something that you could potentially look into to include these potential keywords into your websites so that your landing page for Dallas appears at the top and drives traffic and organic traffic to this particular website. And that's what I wanted to share with you today. So we cover content. You need more and more relevant content. Sprinkle this page with those relevant keywords so that they can drive traffic to this website. You need to have more powerful backlinks, and you need to include more citations to rank at the top of the GMB. So if you like what you saw on this video, please just feel free to arrange a one-on-one consultation, and we'll be more than happy to help you with your digital marketing needs. My details are at the bottom of the email, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.